the hose that takes out the waste from the sink battery is now bad. And then what we have now is that when you pour water from the sink, the water goes out into the battery. Now we are looking at what we are going to do now to replace the hose. So you can see it. That hose is there, it's busted, and it's removed from the base of the sink. It's quite removed, and so we want to replace it now so that we can have a good working condition of the sink once again. So that's what we have here. Alright. So we see there, we want to change it to new one. New one is now what we have down here. New one here. It's the new one, a good one, strong. I'm going to use this to replace the bad one here. I'm going to remove this, use this one to replace it. When you check the mouth, you see that that is screw. That's what we have inside the sink. You can see that. I'm going to remove the screw down there, remove the plates, then replace it with this one. That is what we are going to do now. Okay, so we have it. Good one, strong, stronger than the one before. The one before is lighter, while this one is stronger. So we are using this one to replace it. So let's watch. The first step is to remove, unscrew the whole screw here. We unscrew it. So I'll try to remove the plates. Has become very stiff and hard to remove, so it requires force. By holding it underneath, you will actually unscrew it. The screw is now coming out. Yes. Oh yes. Now that we have removed it, we need to do some cleaning of the inside of the sink. Okay. Some accumulation of dirt. Okay. So, the screw, hold it from top on to this and this, while the rubber is there to ensure that there is no water leakage at all. Okay. So let's test that. Okay, there's no leakage of water here. The water is coming down the other end of the hose. So that's fine. Okay, now the top is working fine. Means the other end of the hose. And there's a little challenge. You can see there's a difference between the two of them. This one plugs into the wall directly. Why this is bigger? So what do? What we try to do is to cut away these parts and use the shorter end to plug into that wall. So we do that. Okay. So we have the end that is equivalent to the old one. So you can see, but a little bit shorter, just a little bit shorter. So when we use it this way and plug it into the wall, so it's going in here. So we can extend it a little, plug it into the wall. Okay. I want to test that. Let's see. Water is going in fine. You can see that the water is going in and there is no leakage. Let's pour plenty water here. There's no water leakage. That's a very good job.